Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. And look at me, I put my gloves on before I even started. I think it's some kind of Christmas miracle because that never happens. So today we are going to do a bloom on 2 different tiles with the same colors. And the only difference is going to be, I'm going to put a couple of drops of the Minwax in the topper for the second one, not for the first one. So just a rundown of our colors. Our topper today is going to be, let's see, what is it? Amsterdam. The Cyan. So here it is. And I have mixed it with just a little bit of floetrol and a little bit of water. And I'm going to add the Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner for the second one. So that's that. Then for our colors, we have Arteza, phalo blue, pale green, and Aztec gold, which is a metallic. So all Arteza. So that is what we're going to do today. Hope it turns out good, guys. All right. So if you guys could do me a favor and hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video, that would be a great, great help for me. I really, really appreciate it. So I'm just going to start with the pillow paints. I'm going to pour them on both of them. All right. Okay. Lots of bubbles. You might want to go ahead and try to pop a few of them. It really helps so you don't get the freckles on your painting. That's what they call them, freckles. I don't know. I think it's especially important for the ones in the middle because that's where your paint's going to be. I seem to have a lot of bubbles today. I don't know. So how are you guys doing? Has it calmed down from the Christmas rush? I had Christmas early, so most of it, I'm doing a little bit on Christmas Day, but most of it I did it early. So it was like rush, 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 and then, oh, okay, we're good now. So we can calm down a little, which is nice. All right, I'm putting down the phthalo blue first. Then I'm going to put down the pale green. They call it pale green, but it doesn't look very pale to me. But you know, who am I to say? Now I'm going to put down the Aztec gold. Such a rich gold color. All right, so now I put the topper on the first one. And blow it out. All right, see if y'all can see that, guys. There's a lot of cell action going on that one. All right, and I promised to try the Minwax on this. So I'm literally going to add 2 drops. 1, 2. Gotta mix it in real good. Put that right there. All right. All right, blowing it out. lots of cells there too. It's just really about how it turns out in the end, whether you like it which way. The last time I did it, I liked it without the Minwax better, which was surprising because the time before that, I liked it with the Minwax better. So I don't know. I think it can go different ways, different times. It still makes patterns of cells, but they're colors, so it's not as in your face. But it's fun to play around and see what different looks you can get. All right, gonna add a little bit of paint to this corner. I was just yakking away when I should have been doing that to help it off. There we go. Now it's pulling. These colors are very vibrant. I was just wanting to do something different. And that's good. All right, guys, what do you think? Looks pretty good. Of course, we'll do close-ups afterwards if I don't flip this over. Okay, all right, let's tilt this one now. This is the one with the Minwax pre-wood conditioner. All right, let's see. All right, putting some more paint on that. Gonna pull it this way. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get rid of all the white on this because when I blew it out, I didn't blow like the stars out or the petals out toward the corners. It helps if you do that. So I have this huge chunk, white chunk that I need to get off, and so it pours off a lot of the other paint too. So it helps if you think about that while you're blowing it, which I did not do this time. Something else to think about. Of course, it doesn't always have to be all the way off. You can keep your negative space, which I think I'm going to keep a little bit of that. Ooh. Get it back to the middle. Yeah, so I got this great new apron. It's a vinyl apron so that hopefully some of my clothes don't get ruined. And, you know, a cloth apron, just the paint just soaks through, get your clothes anyway. So I got these new vinyl aprons and I still forget to wear them. So then it's sitting right there. I'm hoping to get into the habit of wearing them because all my clothes are paint stained. And sometimes I want to go out in public and not, you know, look like the... I'm trying to look at them both and see which one I like best, but it's too soon to... Almost there. Oh, whoops. Dang it. Did you see what I just did? I just put my finger across it and now there's white on that corner. Dang it. Has the most of the white left, so I'm just going to bring this, the weight of this back toward the middle, and then we are done. Of the house, like I keep rotating it every little while so that it stays basically centered or in a good way. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I will bring you in for some close-ups and we will see how it looks. Thanks guys for joining me. I appreciate it. Really like these colors. Very different. Kind of looks like looking down on Earth or something. I don't know, maybe not. Tell me what you guys think. All right, let's get some close-ups. All right, here are some close-ups. Here is the first one. The bloom technique without the Minwax pre-stain conditioner. Got some really pretty cell action. And here is the second tile we did after we added 2 drops of the Minwax pre-stain wood conditioner. I don't know. I think I'm liking it without the wood stain, blah, blah. Without the Minwax. I like it better, I think, without that. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.